Hey, welcome to another Big Acre fishing video. My name is Colin, for those of you new to the channel. And here we are today. We're out on off of the Severn River, and we're out here looking for pickerel. I'm part of a pickerel tournament that I'm in every year, and it runs for about 3 or 4 months. It runs from November to February. So we're just going out here again, trying to get some more pickerel. I already have one on the board. I think it was like 23 3/4. So we're just out trying to get anything over 20 today. I fished this spot 2 years ago, and I haven't been back since. So this is my first time back. And I didn't fish it last year just because it didn't seem like it was very good from what I was being told and what I heard. So I figured I'd come back this year and try it out. And honestly, just trying to get anything over 20. So we'll see what happens as we go along here. We'll start off along the wall here and then make our way onto the other side of the bridge where there's a bunch of laydowns. And we'll see how we do there. So if you like this video, please feel free to leave a comment down below. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you are notified of any new content that I post. And if you haven't already done so, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. And thanks again for watching. I know, I think it's the same area. Got the same, whatever I'm hitting the same. Look at that same hit right there. It's definitely the same thing. Oh, it might have been a fish. It was a fish. Small pickerel right there. I was definitely reeling faster, but I keep biting that trailer. That looks so delicious, but I don't know if that's because I'm reeling too fast, so it confuses me. Yeah, so what I was referring to was this lure here by High Octane Custom Baits. I kept throwing that back there, and the fish were following it and kind of short striking, but it looked like they were only touching that little feathery tail there. But they weren't biting it. They were just kind of following me along. So I wasn't sure if I was supposed to reel faster or slower or give it a little twitch. So I tried a bunch of things, but I'll continue to try it as it's a very good lure. It has gotten perch with it, yellow perch, and also pickerel. Just haven't gotten a big one on there yet, but it's a really great setup, great hook, great trailer. And I'm sure with that spinning bait, the pickerel will definitely bite it. All right, we'll try over here. Oh, there's one right there. Son of a... Come on here. Finally. I have to keep them on these tiny... Alright, first pickerel of the day, and it's a 4-incher. But maybe this is why we're not catching them, because they're not big enough. I don't know. I mean, can't do much with them. Can't do much when they don't want to bite, right? Better stick on them. Yeah, you small baby. Oh, shoot. Yeah, nice little rocket. There we go. Haven't thrown a spinner all day, so let's just see what we got. I don't think we're gonna get anything, and if we do, it's gonna be fun because it's gonna be on light tackle. Oh my god, first cast. First cast on light tackle. We love it. We love it. First cast on light tackle, baby. There we go. There we go. First cast. Look at how easy that was. Should have used this thing all day. worth measuring, but we'll give it a shot, right? All right, we got 20 3/4 pickerel. We'll take it. Yeah, we will. Let him go. Let him grow. All right, we're gonna hit this cross side and work our way down the docks here. Could go further down, but it doesn't tend to get any better down there. I mean, it could be. It's getting late. I think we'll just stay down in this area. Hit these few laydowns over here and docks. I haven't traditionally caught a lot of fish over here, but these laydowns look phenomenal. Ooh, that's a chunky one. That's a chunky one, but I don't think it's big enough. I don't think it's big enough. Definitely chunky, but thin. Oh shit, stay on, stay on, stay on, baby. Come on, I'll at least measure you. I'll let you go. Alright, that's a better size. Alright, alright. The tide, I think, is moving in now too, so I think that's helping the matter. Alright, I don't think this is going to be any bigger than my last one. Yeah, right at 20. Yeah, we're definitely at 20. We're definitely at 20 there. Alright, well, broke the hook. There's another one. And another one. That's where you want to be. Another one. Another one. Small. Rocket. Slime rocket. Ooh, slime rocket. Alright, well, they're biting. The bite definitely picked up. Small. Too small, baby, too small. Nice and powerful, though. Small, but it seems like the bite's starting to pick up, so that's good to see. Alright, go back in. Getting some slime rockets. Oh, found a nice area, which looks like there's nothing but fish over here, so we'll keep hitting it and see what we get. Alright. Alright, that area is where I'm hitting right now. It looks really good, so. Get out of here. It's getting windy over here. Look at that one. Unintentional. Alright, well, we're still getting them. They're biting hard tonight. Alright, you're gonna come off, don't worry, just give me a minute. Yeah, it's too small. This hook's coming with me, buddy. There you go. Point. It's too far away from the dock. Oh my gosh, got one. This one feels like a meteor one. Uh-oh. This is a meteor one? Is it a fish? Oh my goodness. Get on him. This It's definitely chunky. I don't think it's big enough for just heavy, not long. Wasn't long, but it was heavy. All right, so we got some pickerel today. Nothing really outstanding. They were all in the highest ones were 20, I think 20 3/4 was my biggest today, and then the other ones were all pretty small. But we got on some different laydowns I saw back there, which was awesome. And that's why you come back to different areas at different years, because you never know, something can change. Like I said, different laydowns, and a lot of good areas. It looked like there's better areas this time, I think, than I had been in the past. So that's promising, and I think I'm going to come back for sure. They're biting really well. The bite turned on there at the end. If I still had daylight left, I could have stayed back at that spot where those laydowns were, because I have a feeling there was a bunch more there. And they were definitely chunky. I wouldn't say they were very long, but they're definitely very heavy. All right, well, thanks for watching. If you haven't done so already, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so you're notified of any new content that I post. And let's see if we get out and get some more pickerel. All right, thanks for watching. Big Yacker out.